Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Enet Digital Marketing. Today, I'm going to be guiding all the lazy folks out there on how to create content. So, creating content for lazy people. So, let's get on with it. So, first of all, the tools you will need include BARD, ChatGPT, Copy AI, or any of the text-based AIs. And then you need Capitalize My Title and then Canva. Now, the text-based AI are supposed to help you in creating your titles and your posts as well. And the Capitalize My Titles are going to help you to optimize your title for SEO, readability, and as well as emotion. And then the last but not the least, Canva. Canva is supposed to help you to design the graphics for either your static posts or your carousel or even your reels if you want. So let us begin. So we'll start with BARD, of course. So we are going to put in a prompt asking BARD to suggest a topic for us. So suggest. All right. So you can see that BARD has given us some titles. How to use social media for your business. It has a readability score of 64. The psychology of social media has a readability score of 62. The impact of social media on mental health, etc. So let's go with how to use social media for business, for your business. So we'll go over to Capitalize My Title. What we need in Capitalize My Title is the editing tools. And here we'll go to the headline analyzer tool. Yeah. So we'll paste that's what we copied from BARD here and we analyze it. Now, if you can see from the analysis, we got an overall headline score of 56. That is not bad. But in most cases, you should aim to get from 60 and above. Now, breaking that down, you see that the readability is 77, SEO 44, sentiment is 50. Now, I always ensure that my SEO is nothing less than 60. That's because SEO is extremely very important as far as social media and generally the internet is concerned. It helps people to easily find your content when they are searching on, either social media or Google or any other search engines as well. So we're just going to go with this and work our way up from there. So now that we have our topic, we are now going to ask BARD to write an Instagram post on that topic. Now, one thing I need you to understand about using AI, text-based AIs are the prompts. You need to be very particular about your prompts. And what that simply means is whatever you want to ask, whatever question you want to ask, you should be as detailed as possible. The more detailed you are, the better the results that the AI will give to you. So now we're going to tell BARD to write send. All right, you can see BARD has actually given us all we need to do. Now, even give us, the structure of how our post should be. It gave us, a photo of an image, a photo of a laptop with social media marketing dashboard open. Then it gave the caption how to use social media for your business. Then it now went on to give all the body of the post. Now, what? Yes, I know we're trying to do this for lazy people, but still, it's going to be beneficial if you can make this yours rather than just copy and paste. Of course, you can do that because BARD has already done a good job, in giving this content. But you can choose to still make it yours. Give it your own tone. Still, just change one or two things and then just basically make it yours. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just going to copy and paste what BARD has given to us. So let's go to copy here and then use the document editor that we already opened here. All right, so now we have that. So with this, basically what you should just do is, of course, you edit all of those parts out, they're not needed. You just go to your Instagram and then you impute all of this. Don't forget to add your hashtags, whatever hashtags that you decide to use. Make sure to add it at the end of your posts and also a call to action. So you have two choices here for your picture. You can decide to use Canva here to create a cover. You can decide to use Canva to create a cover, like what we have here. you can see this. Of course, you know, you impute the title here. Let's quickly do that. Impute the title here. See, and then put that picture as the picture for the post, or you can use a different picture entirely, like such that was suggested by Bard. And one other resource that you could use for that is Pexels. You can get stock photos for free for, you know, from Pexels, and all you just need to do is type a kind of photo that you need, and Pexel will give that to you. The kind of photo that Bard asked us to use was a photo of a laptop with social media marketing open. So let's just copy that and then post on Pexel. All right, so you can see that Pexel has already given us such photos. You can now decide to choose the one that best suits, you know, your need. So I'm just going to go with this one. Good. So I'm quickly going to open Instagram right here on my laptop and assume, you know, we are trying to, you know, make the post from there. So click on create and select from computer. Of course, you know where you have the image that you want to use, and you know the process is different with a phone. All right, so next. Okay, so now the caption. I will go and copy all that's, you know, we got from Bard. Okay, and then for your hashtags, basically all of this, and then when you're done, you share. So there you have it, how to create content for lazy people. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to eNet Digital Marketing, because we share lots of videos like this to make your life very easy. Thank you.